Hey guys, this is Noble Vigilance. The muffler just came today and I'm about to go get it put on. We actually gotta kind of hurry out here. I'll be right back. Okay, yeah, pull in. The muffler has arrived, the Flowmaster 44, and I am very excited about it. And I hope it goes smoothly, honestly, I really do. So, I got it. Is it in the back seat? Okay, that's a bar, never mind. Where's it at? Oh, sweet, we got it right here. Super 44. Put that in my trunk.
Let's go.
Put it in my trunk. Alright, so yeah guys, I'm really hoping that this goes really smoothly. I'm really anticipating it. I'm really excited for it. It's such a great day, you know, my first car modification. So, sorry if the camera's a little bit shaky, by the way, guys. I have to hurry out of here. Basically, these guys said it was going to cost about 65 bucks, which is not, why am I taking my shoes off, which is not bad. That's actually really good. So I gotta get over there in a hurry, but I hope it sounds good once I put it on, you know, because I don't really know how it sounds. I've only seen resonator deletes and muffler replacements. Haven't seen just a muffler replacement. Where is it? Are you driving? Where's the muffler? In the trunk?
In the trunk already.
So yeah, it's gonna sound a lot better, guys, once we are. Oh shoot!
Oh shit!
I didn't hit it hard. Don't worry. Once we are done, it's gonna sound really good. So, like if you guys like, and I will be posting out this video really shortly, and then I will also be posting the video of the car with the muffler once we get back to the house, or maybe once we're driving. We'll see. Peace out, guys. Noble Vigilance here. We have the muffler getting installed up there very soon. We also got a new exhaust tip, and I'm looking forward to it, and it's going to come out really nice. I will take a video once it's done, and probably a video as he's actually installing it as well. These guys, looks pretty good. With the hanger right there, everything is sealed up, ready to go. Oh, that sounds so much better. It sounds quite a bit better, dude. It sounds deeper. I like it. That smells bad. That smells bad. Sorry I can't record this, guys. My dad's not home.